Well, this afternoon, prosecutors in Cobb County arrested their case against Matthew Lands. The 26-year-old is accused of breaking into a young Cobb County couple's home in November of 2021 before shooting and killing them. 11 Live's Grace King joining us live from the Cobb County Courthouse tonight. Grace, what evidence are they showing in court as they arrest?
Well, Sandy Springs police say Matthew Lands broke into a home there and stabbed a responding officer just 2 days after the Hicks were murdered. They had a lot of questions for Lands as their suspect in that case, but came up with even more once they realized he happened to live behind the Hicks homes. Prosecutors played that video interrogation in court today and asked several witnesses about those questions.
Pick up other information, and that's when it became increasingly apparent that there was another incident involved, and the Cobb County incident got brought to light.
In recorded interviews with Sandy Springs police, Matthew Lands describes his version of November 17th, 2021. The night authorities believe Amber and Justin Hicks were murdered inside their home. Lands says he drove from his college apartment in Athens to his family home in Ackworth, which was right behind the Hicks home. He told police he saw a light on in their house, but didn't hear or see anything out of the ordinary, so he smoked a cigarette and drove right back to Athens.
I would say it was a coincidence that it happened on the same night that I showed up, but I didn't hear anything, which is the crazy part.
This questioning happened while Lands was in custody for a separate case of allegedly breaking into a Sandy Springs home and attacking a responding officer. The prosecution also played video from the police car after that interrogation, where Lands suggested police maybe should have killed him at the Sandy Springs home. He kept bringing up what had happened to his neighbors 2 days before and whether Amber, the mom, might have been pregnant.
I still feel pain for knowing that there was a child or whatever in that lady's belly. I still feel terrible about knowing that there was a baby in that woman's body.
Prosecutors also introduced a lot of digital forensic evidence this afternoon from Matthew's phone and computer. They say that he turned his phone into airplane mode for several hours the night of the Hicks murders, and that he had Googled things like what it feels like to be shot. Live in Cobb County, Grace King, 11 Alive News.
All right, Grace, thank you. Well, right now on 11 Alive Plus, you can stream full testimony from the trial and stay up to date with the very latest from inside the courtroom. 11 Alive Plus is free to download on your smart TV.